Welcome to another video of QH Technology, where precision and efficiency come together. In this video, we're going to explore automatic lathe machines and their various functions. Automatic lathes are the workhorses of modern machining. They excel in turning, shaping, and crafting components with unparalleled speed and precision. Here are the key features that make automatic lathe machines an indispensable part of the manufacturing world. Precision turning. Automatic lathes deliver tight tolerances and smooth finishes, ensuring the components meet the highest standards. High productivity. With automatic tool changes and rapid feeds, these machines boost production rates, reducing downtime. Versatility. From simple to highly complex parts, automatic lathes handle a wide range of materials with ease. Reduced labor. These machines require minimal human intervention, reducing labor costs and increasing consistency. Fast setup. Quick changeovers allow for efficient production of small to medium-sized batches. Now, let's dive into some of the parts applications across industries. In the automotive sector, automatic lathes create precision engine components, enhancing vehicle performance. In healthcare, they craft vital components for medical devices, ensuring top-tier quality and reliability. For aerospace, they're crucial in producing aircraft components with utmost precision. In architecture and hardware, these machines create intricate and durable components. While these machines often work autonomously, our skilled operators monitor and ensure the process remains flawless. Here are some of the parts that we produced using automatic lathe machines. The accuracy capability of this machine is between 0.01 millimeters and 0.001 millimeters. Contact us today to explore the limitless possibilities with automatic lathe machines.